So I'm here taking the brake caliper carrier off the Range Rover P38, right? And there's these 18 bolts. Well, they look like 19s, right? And they're star. They're not your normal hexes, right? And so that's what keeps the carrier on, right? You see, how did I pull it out? There's one there, right? Can you see that? Yeah, so if you put a 19 onto it, it's too baggy and it won't catch it, right? And then I was worried about putting an 18 onto it, but I eventually got the gumption and put an 18 onto it with the lump hammer. So I started off using this hammer here, the small little one, then I ended up using the lump hammer to actually ram the 18 onto the top of it, because it doesn't really want to go, right? It doesn't really want to go. But I mean, it does go. Get down about halfway with the lump hammer, and by that stage then the bolt is fairly shocked. So you're in business. That's the end of the video. Bye. Right, so I took out this nut here, right? That screw, it's all mangled on my car, right? Mangled looking thing. Anyway, I took it out with this, which is like a heavy screwdriver, right? Big thick screwdriver head. That's what took that out. Okay, and I just kind of put my back into it and fucking did it slowly and it came out. Anyway, that's the end of that video. Bye. Okay, so when you take off the brake thingamabob disc, we are then here, right? So here's the hub. Here's the brake shield. I've opened all this up before, so these bolts here shouldn't be too bad. But I mean, on another day, if you hadn't done it before, it would be difficult. But what to do is to wrap small socket set around it, like all these little dudes. You get one of those that like barely fits onto it and hammer it on, and be very gentle about twisting it when you twist it. That's it. So that's how you get them out. And then so now I've got to take off this hub, right? So this whole thing has to come out. Oh, I hope I can take it out with the rubber thing still intact. I hope so. I'm gonna watch a YouTube video of myself now. Bye. Greetings. I broke my steering arm before. I pushed it too hard off road and fucking bent into wicked contortion altogether. Anyway, I got it repaired and I managed to get home. So now I kept the part, and when it came to what happened when I tried to take the steering arm off my car there, there's a place where an Allen key goes here, it got stripped out, so I couldn't get it off, right? Thankfully I have this piece, so I was able to become familiar with what needs to be done if I need to change one of these. So I ordered a new one of these and I cut this down here, right? So there it is there. I'll deal with that tomorrow. I'll have to pull that out. I'll have to measure how far that is from that, and when I'm putting the new one back in, make sure that measurement is similar, right? So that's one thing, right? So then that allowed me to get this hub freed up, right? Here we go with the wobbly hub, right? That took a bit of doing, even getting there, I'm telling you. It's not an easy job, man, this whole thing. Anyway, so I bought a low speed grinder, as in a grinder that I can turn the speed down on this thing. Alright, that is a Parkside grinder with speed adjust here, right? So you can use it with this brush attachment and not be in extreme danger because you turn it down, right, to a reasonable level. So I got that yesterday. So where am I now? After cleaning up this, right? I haven't got the nuts loose yet. I'm after cleaning up the nuts as best I can. More of them down here. You see that collet thing that I'm hoping not to mess with? The adjuster thing. I don't want anything to do with that. Hopefully it doesn't budge when I go to take that bolt off. There. So that's where I am now. Anything particularly shocking that I should jog my memory with? Not really. Anyway, there you go. Bye. Hello. So what I'm doing currently is I'm working on, before I try and reinstall these ball joints, the small one goes in from the top, right? So I'm working on this edge here. See that? it's already what's the beveled, right? It already is beveled. I've just been helping it along, making it nice and smooth, right? From the top on this one, and then top, bottom ball joints. The bottom one then you squeeze in from below, okay? So the bevel's on the underside. So that's what I'm currently working on. Just sitting here, making this fucking relax, be all smooth, lovely, and hopefully it will go in. So that's that part of this video out. I'll record a bit more as I go. Bye. Greetings. So this is the setup for the upper ball joint, right? So I have the lower one in, and this is what I got for the upper one. So what do we have here? We have this cap thing, right, on top of the thing. I whacked the ball joint, the upper ball joint, down on its face with a lump hammer, you know, just to get it in relatively straight. And I think that worked, right? I hope it did. I mean, proof is in the pudding and all that. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, so I got the cap thing, middle, cup, and then I don't know what this thing is called, some kind of an adapter, but it fits on the middle thing. So yeah, I'm gonna squeeze the bejesus out of that now, and hopefully, wish me luck, it'll work out. Bye now.